truck to get home.
No, his car. Oh, and he slid. Did you see him slide?
He's playing.
I know, but did you see him?
I know that truck. That's a Ford Ranger.
Do you have anything planned tomorrow?
Let's see. Snow on the ground. It's gonna be full sun, so it'll probably be melted tomorrow.
Can't even see the roof. It's about to cover up their.
The roof is on fire.
Look at this guy. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, is that a doggy lost?
It was a green doggy.
Why did you do that?
The roof is on fire. I hope they found that doggy. He was just little.
Look at this guy.
It's a green and a red.
He was just pretty good. Still probably cold.
Mimi? Can we have a video over tomorrow since they're not going to be as long?
Honey, if they want to come over, they are more than welcome to come over.
Can you ask? Tomorrow?
Yeah, absolutely. No problem with that.
Get a picture of that and send it to him. Be like, oh, we figured you might enjoy this picture. Can you believe it's snowing this bad? It's just amazing. Even under the trees, I have accumulated snow.
That's pretty darn cool, if you ask me.
And even if
I'm just glad we were here to experience it. I didn't think we'd be able to experience the snow for a very long time, if ever.
Random people on bicycles.
I was hoping and praying.
Oh, look. Oh, we got that.
what happened?
We got it on video. You want us to send it to you?
Hell yeah.
What did he say?
I don't know.
He said, you asked that. I know what he said.
What'd he say?
What you said, asked him if you wanted to send him the video. He said, hell yeah.
Yeah, we heard that part. Then what else did he say?
That's it.
I think he said, pull over. Look at this guy. Oh, that's the one guy. He's not on there anyways. Poor guy.
You'd probably like it.
I'm pretty sure that was a bus stop anyways. Ain't no bus coming. Honk the horn. Toot toot.
I didn't even think about the fact that we had it on video.
Yeah, I was on there too. Stop it and
He probably does. No, he probably does want it. I'd have to grab it.
It's already a 4-minute video.
I do this every once in a while when I think of it. It's my dash cam. And then I get to home or wherever I'm going, I delete it.
Let's see if you catch something.
Yeah, the one day I was in Walmart parking lot, and I was coming towards Walmart in the parking lot, and the guy would come out of Walmart, and he was coming across, and as he was walking down the parking lot, he went like this and lunged onto the car. He didn't touch the car, but he lunged onto it because he knew I was video. He must have seen the camera, and he did that.